the cow is allowed easy access, moving simply straight ahead. The milking unit offers the cow ample freedom of movement. The cow's position is followed accurately all the time, without anything actually touching her. To meet the cow's needs, the robot has the facility to feed 4 kinds of feed. To ensure optimum hygiene and stimulation, brushes are used for cleaning. Scanning and attaching takes place just as gently and fast as if the calf is looking for the teat. The strong arm stays underneath the animal, which is quieter for the cow. Pulsation per quarter with Lely's 4-effect pulsation system. Milk quality is continuously measured to allow for quick recognition and action, reducing ailments and improving animal health. Teat cups are removed individually per teat. Milking times are minimized, resulting in improved udder health and less stress on the udder. After milking, every quarter is sprayed to ensure udder health. The cow exits straight ahead in a relaxed manner. The unique milk-friendly pump without rotating impellers doesn't damage the milk. The Lely Pura steam cleaning system kills 99% of all bacteria without detergents, offering maximum security in respect of udder health. Colostrums will be automatically separated and can be used for calf feeding. Lely Astronaut, the natural way of milking.